Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I was going to talk about this book as an example of how you can not just read books to children but extend on the reading. Giraffes Can Dance is a very great book. It's a classical book by Gar Parker and Gilles Andrea. This book is about Gerald, who is a tall giraffe and whose neck was long and slim, but his knees were awfully bendy and his legs were rather thin. So he is trying to dance and he would like to join other animals in jungle dance, but he doesn't know how. He doesn't know how to dance. So this is a great book about abilities, high expectations. So it's a really great book and well loved by children. So I've read it a lot to children, so that's why I bought this hard copy. So it's beautiful, the illustrations are amazing. So imagine that you've read this story to children during your story time and children started to learn the lyrics and they love the book. How can you extend it after that? So first thing you can do is to put this book in the book corner, of course. So not just to read it to children, but allow them to look at it and review the story and revisit it. But there is also another extension that I recommend, which is felt board. Yeah, or any kind of puppets you can add to extend on the story. So I'm using felt board because they are quite affordable, they're quite cheap, and I make puppets. So my puppets for this story are on a stick. So it's pretty easy to make. What you need is to print the story characters, and most of them are available, but even if you do not have those characters, you can make a copy of the book you already paid for copyright and just extend on it by making puppets. So this would be a giraffe, Gerald. This would be all the dancing animals. Yeah. So for example, so I have felt here. So and that's a sticker on a felt, very easy to make. And this way, children can remember the story and retell this story. So this allows them to participate in story extension, memorize the plot, and also use words that are unfamiliar in a new context, maybe add something to the story. So I think this is a fantastic way to extend on any book by making puppets like that and adding them to your literacy corner. This is Giraffe and Giraffes Cannot Dance and me, Story Kate.